Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk through creating a minimal app in Appspotr 3 using 4 simple steps. Step 1. Create 3 views. Step 2. Add a dataset. Step 3. Connect everything as patches. Step 4. Test the finished app. To start, open your organization in Appspotr and click on New App button. Appspotr offers 2 options: Create from scratch and Create from template. For this guide, we'll be building from scratch. Select Start from Scratch, then give your app a logo and a name. Choose colors and fonts for your app, or skip these settings to use the defaults, which can be customized later in the settings. Once set up, you'll be taken to the Overview screen. From here, we'll move on to the Design tab to start creating our views. First, we'll create the initial welcome underscore view. In the Design tab, click plus Create New View and name it welcome underscore view. Now, let's add some components to this view. Let's add an image. Click Add Component, choose Image. Then open Component Properties and select Default Image. Upload an image from your computer. Next, add a text box component and edit the text to say something like, "This is the welcome view." Finally, add a button. Open Component Properties and change the button text to "Thank you." Align the text to the center and increase the font size to 24. Great! We have our 3 components in welcome underscore view. Now, let's make this button interactive. Open the View Properties tab and go to Outputs. Click New Output, name it Button Click, and set it to Event. Then, go back to the button, open Component Properties, and under On Press, select Button Click. With that, button is ready to trigger an event. Next, let's create second underscore view. This view will display a list of tasks from our upcoming dataset. Return to Views and click on the plus icon to create a new view. Select List as the view type, name it second underscore view, and click Create. In View Properties, enable free positioning to let us adjust and move components as needed. Now, add a text box component. This text box will later be connected to display data from our dataset. Finally, let's create our third view, called Description underscore view. Go to Views, click on the plus icon, select View as the type, name it Description underscore view, and click Create. In View Properties, enable free positioning. Add a rich text display component. Place it in the center of the canvas and resize as needed. Under View Properties, scroll to Inputs and click New Input. Name it Description to match the column name in our dataset. Select the Rich Text Display component and, in Component Properties under Data, write $description in the text field. This links it to our description input. Now, we'll add data to our app by creating a dataset. Go to Data section, and then click Datasets, and after click, plus New Dataset. Name the dataset Chores, and add 2 columns. Task for the name of the chore. Description for details about the chore. Click Add Dataset button to save the structure. Then plus Add Item button to start adding data. Let's add a few sample tasks. Task, Garbage. Description, take out the garbage. Task, dishes. Description, wash the dishes after dinner. Task, vacuum. Description, don't forget the storage room. Task, laundry. Description, Sunday is laundry day. With our data ready, let's connect it to our views. Go to Design tab and then click Views and select second_view. Open View Properties panel, click New Input button, and choose Task as the dataset column name. In the component properties for the text display, under Data, enter $task to link the text component with data from our dataset. With this, App will identify what data need to show to the user. Now, let's connect everything together in the structure builder. Add welcome_view and connect the menu patch to it. Then hover to the button click event and select the second_view from the list view section. Now set the list source of second_view to the chores dataset with default multi-read as the rule. Finally, connect second_view to description_view. In the Properties mapper, select second_view/description to link them. Now that we've built the structure, it's time to test our app. Click on App Preview. You can test the app on your mobile device or desktop. Here, we'll test it on the desktop preview. Click around to explore each view and ensure everything is working as expected. Congratulations! You've successfully built a basic app in Appspotr with multiple views, connected data, and interactive navigation. This setup can serve as a foundation for building more complex features in the future. Thank you for following along, and happy app building!